Now drop your both knee. Apart your knee. Your right hand catch a brick like that. Okay. Your right hand you have to put between your feet like that, and push your pelvic forward. Your left hand up. Left hand up. Maximum up. One, two. Push your body forward. Three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Relax, please. Switch your leg. Switch your hand, please. Other hand back. Maximum up. Slowly, slowly, please. Bend back. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. Up. Now take support. Shashank Asana. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Relax, please. Long inhale. Actually, now your right leg forward like that, please. Right leg bring forward. Long inhale. Exhale. Release your toe, back toe, and both hand up like that. Stretch, please. According to you, please. One, with the balance. Two, very good. Three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. Relax, please. Now take support with the blocks like that here, and stretch your leg forward. Just try to stretch your leg. According to you, please. Just try to open your pelvic region. Full split pose. You can drop your brick like that also. Okay, but you have to maintain your balance. One, two, three, four. Very good. Five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. Relax, please. Long inhale. Exhale. Close the leg. Now switch your leg, please. Your left leg forward. Long inhale. And both hand up. Bend back. Bend back, please. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Yes, drop here, please. And stretch your pelvic region. Stretch your leg forward, please. Full split pose. Just try to open your full leg with the help of brick, please. One, two, three, four. Push your pelvic region. Five, six, seven, eight. Relax, please. Long inhale, back your leg. Exhale. Take a deep inhale and exhale, as well as relax, please. Now you can put your brick like that, please. Look at me first. Look at me. Okay. After that, you can try. Long inhale. Your both hand here. Put your brick back. Okay. Your both hand here and lift your body, please. Sir, back. पीछे रखिए. Okay. Back, please. थोड़ा पीछे रखिए, madam. Back here, and please bring your both leg up. Yes. Drop your pelvic region. Both leg up. One, two. Very good, ma'am. Your hand like that should be very good. 2. Your hand should be like that, ma'am. 3. More up your leg. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax, please. Long inhale and exhale. Relax your body. Now you bring your leg forward. Put your brick back and make a T shape with the brick like that. T shape. Sir, not here like that. And now you have to lie down, take support with the help, and you both hand back and interlock like that. One leg straight, madam. Sudhaji. 2, bend back. 3, drop your hand over the head. 4, drop your hand. 5, 6, Trisha ma'am, drop your hand. 7, 8, 9, up. Long inhale and exhale. Take a deep inhale. Now catch a brick with the foot like that, please. You both leg up here and you both hand like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very good, Sona madam. 8, 9. Relax, please. Take long inhale and exhale. It will lie down on abdomen, please. Inhale up in Bhujangasana and open your shoulder. Open your shoulder and stretch back. Open your shoulder. 1, 2. Open your shoulder. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, child pose, please here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now slightly come in Bhujangasana like that. Inhale up in Bhujangasana. Come on with me. Yes. Exhale. No any movement of hand. Child pose. Exhale Shashankasana. Inhale up in Bhujangasana. Exhale child pose. Inhale up in Bhujangasana. Exhale child pose. And hold here please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now Parvatasana here. Push upper part inside please. 1, 2, 3, 4. Push upper part inside. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right leg up please here. More up. 1. Highly up to how much you can do. Right leg. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now right leg bring forward like that. And your brick you have to put under your left right side like that. Okay. Yes, you can take support with the brick. If you are no need, you can leave. Otherwise, you can take support. Okay. And stretch your body back like that. Drop your here and bend back. 2, 3, highly back. 4, stitch back your body. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. Now your hand forward and lie down. Stitch. Back leg straight down. Please lie down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Now again Parvatasana. Push your upper part inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left leg up, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left leg bring forward. Pigeon pose. And stretch your body back, please. Stretch your pelvis back. 1, 2, stretch back. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lie down forward, please. Stretch your body forward. Back leg should be straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax, please. Both leg forward. You have to lie down on a back, please. Lie down on a spine, listen. Now, your big under hip region like that and make it T shape. Okay. And take support and hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. 7, 8, 9, 10. Right leg up here, please. Stretch your leg up. Yes, very good. 1, 2, hip नीचे रखिए. 4 up. 5, एक पाउंड नीचे. 7, 8, yes. 9, relax please. Switch your leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax please. Remove your break please. Leg straight please. Long inhale. Exhale. Savasana. Relax your body here. Relax your breath. Take a long inhale and exhale each and every part of your body. Completely relax. You feel energized each and every part of your body. Thank you for joining us.